Welcome back to Britology. Today we step into a machine that feels less like a vehicle and more like a mobile command center built for power, precision, and pure luxury. The Mission Command Motorhome is not your typical RV. It's a tactical base on wheels, designed for those who want control, security, and elite comfort wherever they go. From the outside, its bold, armored styling immediately sets it apart. With sharp lines, matte finishes, and a presence that feels straight out of a high-level military operation. This is not just about travel, it's about dominance on the road. As you approach, the motorhome's intelligent lighting system activates, scanning the environment and illuminating the ground with a futuristic glow. Reinforced panels, bullet-resistant glass, and a stealth-inspired body give it a powerful identity, making it look like it belongs in a classified mission rather than a campsite. Every inch of the exterior is engineered for durability and performance, ensuring it can handle extreme environments. Whether it's desert heat, mountain terrain, or urban chaos, step inside, and the entire atmosphere transforms into a high-tech luxury command hub. The interior blends deep carbon tones, brushed metal finishes, and soft ambient lighting that adjusts based on mood and time of day. The cockpit area feels like the control center of a futuristic aircraft, featuring multiple digital displays, AI-assisted navigation, and a 360-degree camera system that gives complete awareness of the surroundings. The driver doesn't just drive, they command. Moving further in, the living space reveals a surprising level of comfort hidden within its tactical shell. Plush seating with memory foam, climate-controlled zones, and noise-canceling insulation create a peaceful environment, even in the harshest conditions. Smart glass windows can switch from transparent to blackout mode instantly, providing privacy and security at the touch of a button. This is where technology meets relaxation in a seamless way. At the heart of the Mission Command Motorhome lies its operations center, a fully equipped digital workstation that turns the vehicle into a mobile office or control room. Multiple holographic-style displays, encrypted communication systems, and satellite connectivity ensure that you stay connected no matter where you are. Whether you're managing business operations, monitoring live data, or planning your next move, everything is at your fingertips. The kitchen area is compact yet highly advanced, featuring automated cooking systems, hidden storage compartments, and premium appliances that blend perfectly into the design. Every detail is optimized for efficiency without sacrificing luxury. Even in a tactical vehicle, comfort is never compromised. The dining setup transforms effortlessly, adapting to meetings, meals, or strategic planning sessions. As night falls, the motorhome shifts into a completely different mode. The lighting dims into a calm, ambient glow, and the sleeping quarters reveal a private sanctuary designed for rest and recovery. The bed is engineered with ergonomic support and smart temperature control, ensuring perfect sleep regardless of external conditions. Soundproof walls and adaptive lighting create a cocoon-like environment, isolating you from the outside world. Security is where the Mission Command Motorhome truly stands above the rest. Integrated surveillance systems, motion sensors, and remote locking mechanisms provide complete protection at all times. The vehicle can even enter a lockdown mode, sealing all entry points and activating advanced defense protocols. It's not just about luxury, it's about peace of mind and total control. Powering this incredible machine is a hybrid energy system that combines high-performance engines with renewable energy sources. Solar panels integrated into the roof, advanced battery storage, and intelligent power management ensure long-lasting operation without dependency on traditional fuel alone. This means you can stay off-grid for extended periods, while maintaining full functionality. The Mission Command Motorhome is also built for adaptability. Hidden compartments, modular furniture, and expandable sections allow the interior to transform based on your needs. One moment it's a command center, the next it's a luxury lounge, and then a private retreat. This flexibility makes it perfect for entrepreneurs, adventurers, and high-profile individuals who demand more than just transportation. What truly makes this motorhome unique is the feeling it creates. It gives you the sense of being in control, of operating at a higher level, where every detail is designed for precision and efficiency. It's not just about where you go, it's about how you operate while getting there. Every journey becomes a mission, every stop a strategic point, and every moment an experience of power and luxury combined. Even the smallest features reflect this philosophy. Voice-controlled systems allow you to manage lighting, temperature, and security with simple commands. Hidden safes protect valuable items, while biometric access ensures only authorized individuals can enter. The entire system is designed to respond instantly, creating a seamless and intuitive experience. On the road, the driving experience is equally impressive. Advanced suspension systems provide a smooth ride even on rough terrain, while AI-assisted driving enhances safety and precision. The motorhome moves with confidence, stability, and quiet power, making long journeys feel effortless. It doesn't just travel, it glides with authority. The Mission Command Motorhome is more than just a luxury vehicle. It's a statement of control, intelligence, and futuristic living. It represents a world where mobility meets strategy, where comfort meets security, and where technology meets human ambition. For those who refuse to settle for ordinary, this motorhome offers a completely new way to experience the road. This is not just about escaping the world, it's about taking command of it wherever you are. The Mission Command Motorhome redefines what it means to travel, turning every mile into a mission and every destination into a controlled environment of luxury and power.